Hi, it's Jen McKenzie, K-12 District Teacher Librarian out in Siusa School District, Florence, Oregon. And I recorded a second clip all about the Peerless Watercolor palettes that you received in your mailer because I love them so much. I love them so much. In fact, I always walk about the earth every single day with a palette on my body in my pocket. So I'm always moving from school to school. My jean jacket is like my office on the go. I have many different colors of jean jackets, but literally every single day inside of my pocket, I have my Peerless Watercolor palette along with a water brush and a water soluble pen. So I can always create, sketch note, what have you. And so I'm just going to go through a couple of specifics about the Peerless Watercolor palettes and share that with you. All right, so here's a little palette that you got in your mailer. I mean, how adorable is it? All of those old library cards that you have sitting around are perfect for makerspace activities. I did not send you a paintbrush, but you know what? You can just grab a Q-tip from home. And then what I wanted to send you was a water brush, and this you unscrew it, you fill it with water, and that way you can do watercolor on the go, okay, without having to dip into a cup of water. You just always have that brush on you. And then there are many types of water soluble ink pens, but this is my all-time favorite. Okay, it's just a standard pen, but it is also water soluble. So let me show you a couple of things. So the little palette that I sent you, not all of them have the test or little brush sample beneath. So you're going to want to do that because you'll see that you can't always tell what the color is from the little sample piece until you actually brush it out. Okay, so let me show you what the packaging actually looks like. Peerless Watercolors, this pack is about 20 bucks. And they are dye-based ink spread on thin pieces of what almost appears to be cardstock, okay? And they're what was back in the day used to hand tint black and white photographs. And the company has still remained in business. I learned all about Peerless Watercolors from Jane Davenport. I've been taking online art classes with her. She's a mixed media artist based in Australia. Literally been learning from her for about over a decade. And I learned how to draw little lady faces. And all of these were done with the Peerless Watercolor palette, okay? So they come in a pack like this. And you can see you have your different colors. And here's something that's interesting. Like I said, you can't sometimes tell what the color is from the front. This is where you're going to touch your water and collect that ink. But the back of the sample will show you the true color. Okay, so there's a green, back of the sample, it's that color. The blues are absolutely gorgeous. Like, can you even tell that's blue? Not until you, flip over and look at the back of it right there. So this is how they're packaged, about 20 bucks. And honestly, I made 150 little palettes out of, I think, maybe 2 or 3 of these. So I love them for educational purposes because you get a lot of mileage out of the product, okay? You just snip them up into little tiny chunks for your people. Okay, so this is how they come packaged. And here's the journal that I usually carry in my pocket. It is a little moleskin journal. Here's another piece that I did with the Peerless Watercolors. And I tend to make because I have so much supply, this stuff lasts forever. I tend to make snippets of pieces and make a palette to fit inside of every art journal I have, because I have all sorts of different shapes and sizes of art journals. Like here's an example of a bigger palette that I made. And again, I learned this from Jane Davenport. She has all these free resources on her website. This one, actually, I took a piece of old school overhead projector film and put that in the middle so that it separates the colors from getting wet. And then I can also use it as a mixing palette. So here's that film And when I'm painting, I can mix colors on the palette. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then you're going to be hopefully joining Lauren Savigis in a session on sketchnoting. And the whole inspiration for the conference journal came from Darren Hudgens' IPDX 17 journal. This was the coolest conference I ever attended, and this journal in and of itself was the most memorable thing I have ever done at a conference. So that's where our conference journal comes from, to include a sketchnoting visual alphabet. And then as I was going to different sessions and filling in the prompts, I used my Peerless Watercolor palette to create. And this is the first time I ever met Jennifer Lagarde, and I painted this picture of her during her session. How fun was that? So yeah, Peerless Watercolor palettes are the most mobile, easy to use, on the go, most bang for your buck supply you could possibly use. So I hope you enjoy the Peerless Watercolor palette that was sent to you. And if you do some creating, make sure you put it out on social media and tag OASL Libs. All right, thanks.